Father, we have arrived. Oh, Maxwell! Help yourself to a snack. We have fruit by the foot, Scotchers, I think we have some Captain Crunch. For me? Oh my God! Also, if you're parched, see what you can find in the fridge. Doors? I'll be in the basement when you're ready to play.
I can't believe he has stairs and... Oh! What the frick?